Good morning, everyone. It is 7 o'clock on Thursday morning, and I am about to leave for Chicago, but I got up a little early to do some dumpster diving. It is a beautiful day. I haven't been finding anything because I haven't been home. I've been so busy traveling, and I'm exhausted, and then I come home for 2 days and I have to work. So that's why I haven't been able to really do anything for you guys. So thank you so much for such kind comments on my last video. I did have somebody comment and say that they were unsubscribing because I never find anything, which recently I understand has kind of been true. So, my videos have been a little lackluster, but after this trip, I'll be home on Monday. I'll be home for a week and a half, and then I'm going away again just for 3 days, and that's it. Like, out of town travel-wise. So, I should be back to normal then. Thank you for those of you who have stuck around this long in my dry spell. I did go out just a tiny bit yesterday, and I actually ran into 2 other divers. So, obviously it's becoming more popular, somewhat my fault because I post videos on YouTube. But regardless of that, we are going to start here at the dollar store. Don't mind my dirty windshield. It will not wash off with the windshield wiper fluid, so I'll have to, I don't know, get that cleaned. I can actually almost guarantee that my dad will clean my car when I'm gone, so shout out to him. Thank you for that. And we are pulling in right here to the dollar store. They're putting a construction company in next to it. I wish it was something fun, but it's not. But they did build these nice windows. Let me unplug you guys and bring you around. It is the morning, so it could be picked over already. And I am on a time schedule, so we're not going to stick around too long. I don't wear gloves, I know, it's bad. And I don't dig like some people wish I did. But I know what I'm looking for, and I know if there's things in there or not. So, let's check. Here's our first stop at the dollar store. Oh, so it looks like they threw out all their little card packs. But this was obviously just emptied. I'm not going to grab those. Those would have been fun, though, if I got there before it got emptied. But it was just emptied 2 days ago, so I don't know why they're emptying it so often. This is the pharmacy. The lids are closed, which sometimes means it's empty, but we will still check. The store isn't even open yet, so yeah, they always have these magazines. No. I'll check out that back bag, but it just looks like garbage and it smells in here. Alright, this is the Bed and Bath store, and I actually saw a couple here yesterday. I was gonna hit it up. And they looked like they were getting lots of good stuff. So, unfortunately, I missed out on that, but yeah, just trash now. We're in the same strip mall, and this is a coat factory, and I've honestly never seen the lids open, so either it's empty or someone's been here or they threw something big in there. Oh man, broken. Oh, I can hear stuff. Okay, I'm gonna dig around a little bit because there is some stuff in here. Yeah, I'm gonna dig. This is another pharmacy. Yeah, that was here yesterday. More garbage. This is how it's been going, guys. But again, like I said, I haven't been able to actually, like, dive that often. I haven't been able to go on the right days. And, sorry. I haven't been able to go to a lot of my favorite spots because they're in other cities. And I just haven't had the time because I haven't been home. So, after this trip, hopefully, maybe I'll have time to dive in Chicago. I doubt there's good diving to happen in Chicago, but maybe, who knows? We'll see. Alright, pulling up to the next dumpster here, and I actually saw someone here yesterday as well. I don't know if she was getting anything. She had her grabber out, but we'll check. This store does destroy often, but I still find good things here too. Huh. I mean, that's nice wood. I don't need it. What is this, a tent? That looks like a pop-up canopy. I'm not gonna take that, but I know somebody will. Alright, there's something back there. That's just the filters and stuff. I can't really see. I'm gonna go to the other side. Yep, see? Destroyed. Well, I mean, this still has some in it. And this one, even though it's squished. And this, for sure, is full. Alright, so some of it is dumped / exploded, but I think we got some stuff we can salvage. My hands are both so slimy. Thankfully, it's just shampoo and nothing gross, but I mean, like, look at my car door handle and even the box of coffee in there, but we're at the dollar store. Yeah. Just garbage and some old balloons. I'm gonna try to clean my hands off a little bit more and head to the next spot. Okay, I rinsed my hands off with some water that I had in an old water bottle. And now we're at the grocery store. I can't take that milk, obviously, unfortunately. These cherries? Oh yeah, I'll definitely take these. Eat these on the road. Grapes. Looks like flowers. Again, I'm not trying to take too much because I am hitting our peanut butter. Who doesn't love peanut butter? Oh, that's empty. That's weird. Alright. Got one. Alright, got the other. Peppers. I would usually take these peppers, but not today. Sorry for this bad filming. Alright, because I'm on a time crunch, we're gonna call that it, but pretty good. Peanut butter and cherries. Pulling up to a home store here. I haven't been able to find anything here recently because I've only been able to come on not good days. That looks like some in-store stuff. There probably was some little mugs in there at one point. Yep, I was here yesterday. Same stuff. Alright, there's like a white van right there, so we're gonna kind of just pull right here, right by the door. We're gonna be bold. And check this one. Ooh. Those are pretty. I really don't need a lamp. I'm not gonna take it. I'm gonna leave that for somebody else. Just because I don't want to waste it and I don't really need it. That's an old computer thing. Alright, something for somebody else, but not for me. Alright, we're here at this pharmacy. Don't get lucky here too often. And it looks like somebody may have found our spot. Yeah. Alright, just garbage. Next stop here. This is mostly a home store, but they kind of sell a little bit of everything. But it doesn't matter, because it's empty. Alright, we're at the pharmacy. There is a truck going on here, but the door's not open. But the gate is Ooh, there might be someone in there. Well, that's a little sketchy. I'm gonna drive by and update you guys. Guys, he was at the dumpster, so obviously he's throwing something away. Probably bread, because they always throw bread out. But yesterday when I was here, it was completely overflowing with just garbage. But I'm gonna give him a second. Again, I don't have that much time, but I'm gonna give him a second, and then I'm gonna go check to see what he put in there. Okay, the truck drove away, and we are here. Ooh, it wasn't bread. Orange juice, and it's still cold. Cheese is still cold. Okay, so that was a refrigerated truck. I'm gonna load us up with some good stuff. It does smell in here, so there must have been eggs or something. Okay, we're at one more pharmacy. We're gonna make this our last stop. We've already had a little bit more success today, so thank you guys for tagging along with me. Lots of birds. That's a gross restaurant. Paint. That's it. Alright, nothing at our last stop. But I'm going to give you a quick overview of all that I found. I do have a little cold, probably just from all the traveling and the altitude changes. Alright, we got this crate of orange juice, there's a lemonade, and a bunch of cheese. There were some almond milks in there, but they were a little, like, wet, leaky almost. So I didn't take those. We have these Donut Shop K-Cups. Okay, we're a little bit mess. There's the peanut butter right there. I have 2 things of peanut butter. And then in this bag, I put all of our shampoos. I think we got 4 or 5, maybe 6 of those. And then the 3 bags of cherries. So that's it for the day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam. And I will be back on Monday when I return from my trip. So thank you for watching, and thank you for sticking around. Bye-bye.
Baby girl, are you okay?
Oh man, there's like a gap between.
Hey, don't touch me, please.
There's a
Please,
gap
miss,
between
don't touch me.
each bit of glass. Wow.
Look, it's not that long. Okay, okay.
That
My foot, I swear.